The main goal of the software is to allow survey creators to build surveys with an intuitive user experience. So with that in mind, on the opening screen you'll notice there's just two buttons. We can either create a new survey or open an existing survey. So for this demonstration, let's create a new survey, and we'll say we're going to create a survey about commuting. So now that we have our survey, you'll notice there's just one button, and we can click that to add the first item to our survey. When we click the button, we will be presented with the item palette, which shows the different types of things we can add to the survey's design surface. We have static content, so basic descriptive text. We have a number of different types of questions, including multiple choice, text, numeric, and some others. And then you can use the structure area to organize your survey into sequences or sections, as well as to add validation logic. The repository section lets you reuse questions from a question bank, which might be running on Colectica repository. So to start, let's just add a welcome message to welcome people to our survey. And next, let's create a section. We're going to create a nicely organized survey. So let's just create a section to gather some basic information from the respondent. And we'll drill into that section and we'll add a few questions. And we'll start off by saying, what's your name? I'll just gather the respondent's name. So that's a text question. Next, let's add a numeric question, and we'll ask the respondent for their age. And finally, for this section, let's ask the gender of the respondent, and this one will be multiple choice. So you can see as we're adding the questions, we get the live preview of what those questions might look like. When we're drilled into a section, we can use the breadcrumb bar at the top to go back up to the top level of the survey.